Hey everyone, it is me, Saved by the Stylist. I am back again with another video on a silk press, and today we're going to do a silk press for damaged colored hair. As you guys can see, her hair is extremely damaged, but we're going to rejuvenate her hair and bring it back to life. And I'm just going to jump right on into the video. So while I'm blow drying her hair, I'm just going to take this time to just explain to you guys what exactly it is that I did to restore her hair. I did use Clairifying shampoo. I started off with that, and I followed that with a moisturizing shampoo to bring the moisture back to her hair, which is very important anytime you use a clarifying shampoo. We did do a protein treatment to restore the bonds of her hair and to rebuild the strength, also followed by a deep conditioning, which is necessary whenever you're doing a protein treatment, guys. So please be mindful of that and to take that into consideration whenever you are doing anything that may be drying to the hair. Always restore it with moisture. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't be afraid to share my video, guys, to a friend or maybe even two. The more the merrier. If you feel like you learned something from this video today, please make sure to thumbs up, okay? So back to the video. I am still going through the blow drying phase. And I do like to put the hair in knots just to stretch out the roots a bit. And as you guys can see, I am a little bit old school. I got my hot comb, and I like to just basically press out the parameters of the hair. I don't go throughout the middle of the hair. I just use a flat iron and press out the hair. And that's exactly what I'm doing in this clip right here. And I don't want to bore you guys, so I did speed it up a bit. So yeah, I'm just going through, pressing out her hair section by section. And I do want to also mention to you guys, I did add some leave-in conditioner to her hair. I did do it off camera. I did the Mizani 25 Miracle, and I did a little bit of the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, followed by a heat protectant that I use by Sebastian. So I do protect my client's hair, guys. I know a couple of you guys had something to say in the last video about the products that I'm using, or if I do use heat protecting. I do use other things to, like, leave-in conditioner on each and every one of my clients after a shampoo. Okay, so now I'm just showing you guys her hair, and I'm just basically running my fingers through it so you guys can see how thin her hair is. It is very damaged, so we're gonna get rid of all of that. Okay, we're getting rid of all of those ends on the bottom because it serves us no use whatsoever. So just take a good look at this, and we're getting ready to say bye-bye to those ends. As a matter of fact, it'll be more than just a trim. It'll be an actual cut. So yeah, we're getting rid of all of that, and that'll be probably like 5 inches. You guys, you can see how thin it is, and she came out of braid, and all of this damage is really due to her hair being colored and not being treated properly. So that's why we're doing the restoration treatment to her hair today to bring her hair back to life. So now, as you guys can see, I'm just sectioning her hair because I am getting ready to cut it. Girl, you need to cut it. I'm getting ready to cut the hair. And she was a very good sport. She wasn't nervous at all. She pretty much knew the condition of her hair and how bad it was. So this is not like it was one of those clients where, you know, I had to explain so much to. She pretty much saw her hair and was just like, Misty, just do what you got to do. Just do what you need to do, because she'd rather have healthy hair, you know, over stringy, long hair. And in all honesty, guys, those are the type of clients that I really, really like. The ones that aren't afraid to get rid of what is not necessary, guys. You guys gotta learn that, you know, sometimes you just got to let it go. Some things are not worth holding on to. Okay, so now that we got that part established, I'm gonna go in for the cut, guys. I mean, I'm not really sure how many inches this is. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is that it has to go, and that's the bottom line. So I've created my guideline here. As you guys can see, every other section that I part off after this is going to match up to my guideline. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing. You know, this is Beauty School 101. I went back to Beauty School 101. I did. You know, I don't... ahead and wrapped her hair up, and I also used some of the 25 Miracle oil to put on her hair. That way it can have a nice, beautiful shine. All right, guys, so now this is the moment of truth. I did silk her hair out by putting the saran wrap or the plastic cap on her hair and sitting her under the dryer for about 7-8 minutes on cool, and her hair looks so good. It's just so flowy and bouncy, and oh my goodness. And this is exactly what we were going for, you know. Look how shiny her hair is and healthy it looks, guys. Come on now. You see that shine. You see that body. So this is the end of the video, guys. So if you like what you see, please don't forget to thumbs up and share it to your friend and your homegirls, because they might learn something, okay? You can see her natural reaction here. She loves her hair. And again, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.